Nice day to all of you, my friends. We offer you a service repair IMEI features for the Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. Fix the problem of IMEI null/0. Add a new IMEI, and then you can enjoy all the features: SMS, call, 5G. Remove live demo and make the device work normally. Use the device with any GSM network. We can update your device whenever you want and do a factory reset without fear of losing the network. Supported models to repair IMEI for Galaxy S22. Supported models to repair IMEI for Galaxy S22 Plus. Supported models to repair IMEI for Galaxy S22 Ultra. What are the requirements to repair IMEI Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra? 1. Not supported if the device is rooted. 2. Gynox should be 0x03. The bootloader must be locked. 4. Ensure that there are no problems with the hardware of the device. 5. PC or laptop, Windows OS. You can contact us via Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Order now.